This is not magic. This is a small science experiment. Insert the straw into the water. Press the top of the straw and take it out. You can lift the water out of the glass. This is the power of atmospheric pressure. Put the needle and thread close to the magnet. Needle and thread float in the air, roasted with fire. The needle and thread will lose its magnetism. Heat the iron pot. Then pour cold water into the pot. Gently turn the iron pot. The water will rotate rapidly along the wall of the pot. Hold a straw in your mouth. Put a ping pong ball on top. Blow slowly. The ping pong ball will float up. Cover the ping pong ball with a red wine glass and keep rotating it. No hands can also transfer the ping pong ball to the cup. This is the centrifugal force. How can you get the money below without touching the bottle? Get the banknotes below. Just slowly roll up the bill. You can easily get it. Separate 2 bottles filled with water. Insert a straw in one of the bottles. Pour water at the same time. The bottle with the straw pours water very fast. Do you know why?